5, verse 14 through 21. For God's love compels us, for we are convinced that one died for all, and therefore all died. And he died for all, that those who live should no longer live for themselves, but for him who died for them and was raised again. So from now on, we regard no one from a worldly point of view. Though we once regarded Christ in this way, we do so no longer. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has gone, the new has come. All this is from God, who reconciled us to himself through Christ and gave us the message of reconciliation, that we might be reconcile others to him in Christ, and he gave us the ministry of reconciliation. We are therefore Christ's ambassadors, as though God will make his appeal through us. We implore you on God's behalf, be reconciled to God. God made him who had no sin to become sin for us, so that in him we might become the righteousness of God. Minggu depan mau mulai